Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for July 12th, 2013. It's Friday, of course. Ready for the weekend. Will the weekend be ruined by rain? Not too much, but there'll still be a threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms, followed by an impressive heat wave for next week. So let's get to it. We have a lot to talk about. This morning, of course, we have a nice northeasterly wind. We have a stationary boundary right along the New Jersey coast and off the Long Island. And as a result, we have a nice northeasterly wind, keeping overcast skies. Temperatures are in the lower to mid 70s throughout the region, and our dew points are in the lower to mid 60s, getting to the upper 60s in a few locations here and there as well. And heavy rain is on the way. Now let's take a look at the radar. This is really important here. See this swath here, very heavy rain, very impressive heavy rainfall over portions of Washington, D.C., much of Maryland, Baltimore, of course, and Delaware. This heavy rain will slowly inch its way north and east towards the Philadelphia metropolitan area and central and southern New Jersey. The rest of the region will likely see scattered showers here and there throughout eastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area, and Connecticut. The reason why is pretty clear when we take a look at the latest satellite picture. You can see these bright clouds here. This is intense lifting. Meanwhile, it's pretty clear here with high pressure in control. So you have all this rising air, especially over portions of the mid-Atlantic. Now, when we take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, have everything overlaid, it becomes even clearer. Here's our upper level low diving south. As that upper level low is diving south, it's forcing all that moisture over the southern mid-Atlantic to lift northeast. However, we also have a boundary here, right along the New Jersey coast and south of Long Island. So what's happening here is that your best focus for the heavy rainfall is going to shift towards central and southern New Jersey and also the Philadelphia metropolitan area. However, the lifting will not be as strong over portions of, let's say, Connecticut, New York City, northeastern Pennsylvania, and the rest of southeastern New York. So what that will translate to is more of a steady, moderate to heavy rainfall for central and southern New Jersey and the immediate Philadelphia metropolitan area for this afternoon and evening. And then for the evening and the late night hours tonight, look for that steady rainfall to clip portions of Long Island, especially central and eastern Long Island and the coast of Connecticut, and then lift out towards New England and the coastal waters there. The rest of the region can expect scattered showers and thunderstorms. Those thunderstorms will be capable of producing heavy downpours. So even though you might not get the steady rainfall, you will get the heavy downpours, and those showers and thunderstorms will become numerous. So if you have any outdoor plans, say a baseball game, concert, anything of that nature tonight, not the best weather conditions for that. The good news is that the steady rainfall is going to come through and lift out by tomorrow morning. Everyone will be generally dry. However, for this weekend, with this tropical air mass in place, unfortunately, there will constantly be a threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the weekend. Not a washout, but just a constant threat, much like what we've been dealing with for the past several weeks. And then the heat wave. Because what's going to happen is this trough is going to retrograde to the back to the west and weaken, and our Bermuda high pressure system and Western Atlantic ridge is going to take hold and pop up a lot of tropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico right into the Philadelphia, New York City metropolitan area by Sunday. So for today, we're looking at temperatures basically in the upper 70s to lower 80s, a nice little break from the heat and humidity, but again, a threat for showers. Tomorrow, showers more widely scattered to isolated at times, with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 80s. Sunday, that's when it starts to get a little bit hotter, increase in humidity, dew points back in the 70s. Our high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 80s along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s away from the coast. And then, well, let's take a look at the forecast here. Here's the European model guidance. Let's jump right to Monday. Sunday night, should I say. Here's our ridge setting up right over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. From Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, that heat ridge, and also Thursday, that heat ridge sits right over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. We have a lot of sinking air. We have our ridge off of the coast off the East Coast, producing a nice southwesterly flow at all levels of the atmosphere. And that's going to mean the threat for very hot and humid weather conditions for next week. So Monday on through Thursday, look for the following. High temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s along the coast. Lower to mid 90s over the rest of the region. Possibly a few upper 90s in portions of, let's say, New York City Metro, let's say like Newark, northeast New Jersey, back towards the Philadelphia metropolitan area, all of the Delaware River Valley. Would not be surprised if some locations hit 97, 98 degrees, especially on Wednesday and Thursday. With all the humidity in the air, heat index is easily going to break 100 degrees. And of course, with this tropical air mass in place, even with the ridge sitting right over the region, you can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. And some of those thunderstorms could be rather impressive with very heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 50 miles per hour, and large hail. So, basically, what we saw last week, but amplified a little bit more with hotter temperatures, a higher heat index. So, if you have any type of plans setting up for next week for outdoor activities, please use extreme caution with this heat. It's not something to be played with. Be prepared, drink plenty of water, and if possible, take plenty of breaks in an air-conditioned environment. This heat is going to be a major problem for the New York City and Philadelphia metropolitan area because it's going to put a lot of stress on that heat, on the electricity grid that could cause some power outages and put some elderly and young children in some dangerous conditions. So that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.